Hello everyone, in this video I'm going to show you how to find USDT ERC20 wallet address on Kraken. Before we get into it, make sure to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more crypto related videos. First thing you need to do is to open your Kraken application. Once you have logged into your Kraken account, then you need to click on portfolio at the bottom. Now you need to click on deposit button at the bottom and select deposit crypto button again at the bottom. Now in this search bar you need to search for USDT and simply select Tether USD. Now you need to choose a network, so simply choose Ethereum network, which is ERC20. Click on this and always make sure to select same network on the sending side also, or you will lose all your funds permanently. Click on this network and here you can see instruction regarding deposit USDT. Read it carefully and after that you need to click on I understand button. Now here you can see your USDT ERC20 wallet address. Tap copy to copy this address, or you can share this QR code directly. And that's it. Now you know how to find USDT ERC20 wallet address on Kraken. If this video helped you out, make sure to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more crypto related videos.